Okay, this is quite an interesting little car. It's not one that we've restored, but it's coming for some service work and a bit of maintenance. It's been restored a while ago, but it's quite an interesting car. It had some interesting modifications. So it's got a high compression engine, or higher than normal anyway, with an E-type block, but Mk2 head. It's also got 123 distributor, which is always a good idea as an upgrade. It's got a Kenlowe fan kit on it as well, but although the controller was faulty, and that's one of the things we replaced, and it's now got a Revotech controller for the fan, and an override switch inside the car. Another interesting upgrade, it's got power steering kit put on it as well, and an upgraded wiper motor as well, more powerful wiper motor. Then interior-wise, this is where it's quite funky. It's got a XJ40 interior, so the seats and some of the center console is XJ40, and all the electric seats all operate as well electrically rather than mechanically, which is pretty cool. And it's a lovely little car. It's also got 5-speed Get-Trag box, which is a brilliant gearbox, very strong. Same gearbox as in my daily car, my XJ. So we've just been road testing it, hence it's a bit dirty. Can't avoid that this time of year, unfortunately. And it's pretty much ready to go back to the customer. Just an adjustment on the handbrake, and that's it.